Assalamu alaikum ji, 8th class. Today we are going to do this present continuous tense and dealing with active and passive voice. So as you have seen that uh, these are the sentences given to you in the notes on page number 103. Okay. So let's start with this exercise and then we will do the next exercise. I will give you some sentences and you will make them into or change them into passive voice. So I will give you active voice sentences and you will change them into passive voice sentences. But let's see what happens in the in these sentences. So here, first of all, I want to tell you or I want to recognize you with the English formation, English sentence formation. Let's see, this is subject with S, this is object with O, and look at this middle part, this is verb. Okay, as I have told you earlier, मैंने पहले आपको ये बता दिया था और we have practiced it in the previous tense. हमने इसकी प्रैक्टिस भी की थी पिछले टेंस में कि किस तरह हम एक एक्टिव वॉइस सेंटेंस को पैसिव वॉइस सेंटेंस में चेंज कर सकते हैं. So look at this part. This is object and I have told you that this is replaced in the passive voice with this place or subject. Is that clear? So this object becomes a subject in the passive voice. In the meanwhile, this subject of active voice is changed into passive voice object and respectively it changes into objective pronoun. Is that clear? This is object in active voice change into passive voice. This the subject in active voice changes into object of passive voice and change itself into objective pronoun. हमने ये कहा कि एक्टिव वॉइस का जो ऑब्जेक्ट है वो सब्जेक्ट बन जाएगा पैसिव वॉइस का, जो सब्जेक्ट है एक्टिव वॉइस का वो पैसिव वॉइस का ऑब्जेक्ट बन के उसमें ऑब्जेक्टिव प्रोनाउन में तब्दील हो जाएगा. और इसके बाद यहां तक ये क्लियर है, दैट इज अ क्रॉस between subject and object in the active and passive voice sentences. Let's see another thing. This is verb by. By is changed into third form and comes in the passive voice sentence. By यहाँ पे verb था, main verb, वो तब्दील हुआ third form में और आ गया इधर passive voice sentence में. Let's see the helping verb, HV. This is the helping verb and because of the helping verb that this is in present, it will remain present form in the passive voice but will accordingly change due to this new subject. यहाँ पे जो helping verb है वो present का ही रहेगा लेकिन अपने नए बनने वाले सब्जेक्ट की वजह से अकॉर्डिंगली चेंज हो जाएगा. सो ये आर जो था ये दे के साथ एग्री कर रहा था. अब हमारे पास जो दिस हाउस है ये एक सिंगुलर नाउन या सब्जेक्ट है, इसके साथ इज एग्री करता है तो हमने यहाँ पे आर की जगह इज लगा लिया. वैसे दोनों प्रेजेंट के हैं. अच्छा जी ये हो गया. अब हमारे पास इस सेंटेंस में क्या चीज रिमेनिंग रह गई, दैट इज आईएनजी फॉर्म. This is ing form and this form comes here with another with helping verb. हमने ये कहा लास्ट टाइम भी ऑब्जेक्ट सब्जेक्ट में तब्दील होता है, सब्जेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट में तब्दील हो जाता है, जो वर्ब की थर्ड वर्ब जो भी है यहाँ पे उसकी थर्ड फॉर्म यहाँ आ जाएगी। हेल्पिंग वर्ब प्रेजेंट वाला था, प्रेजेंट ही रहेगा, लेकिन अपने नए सब्जेक्ट के मुताबिक अपने आप को चेंज कर लेगा। और लास्ट रह गया हमारे पास बाय, तो हमने बॉट बना दिया। आईएनजी जो था उसको लगाने के लिए हमने अपने पास से एक हेल्पिंग वर्ब लगाया बी, बीई बी, जो कि हर एक कंटिन्यूअस टेंस के पैसिव वॉइस में लगता है। सो वी पुट इट हियर एंड पुट or add ing with this helping verb, and this sentence is this house is being bought by them. Let's see the other sentence. Obviously अब आपको ये पता चल गया होगा what is the part called. This is subject, this is object, this is helping verb present, and this is the verb climb. And how we are going to change them? We are exchanging them actually. This wall, the wall object comes here, the boy comes here, and make it object. This is subject. Climb, third form comes here. This is the third form of verb, main verb. Is, as it is, come here because this is helping verb. This as it is comes here because here the subject is singular, here also the new subject is in singular form. So in this way, this helping verb is not changed. Okay, we have put it third form, and what remains, we actually put by from our side before the new object. Here is it as well, by हमने अपनी तरफ से लगाया है, क्योंकि उसके बगैर सेंटेंस का जो वो कंप्लीट नहीं होता। ओके जी, बीइंग ये हमने अपने पास से लगाया और आईएनजी इधर से ले आए। सो दिस इज अ टेक्निकल वे टू टैकल द active voice sentence into passive voice sentence. Is that clear? Now here is a question sentence. Let's see who is asking questions. This is object comes at here, and who is the subject, but in this sentence we put whom in place of who, and at this place we put whom in the first place because we are going to make it in a question form. So in this way, who comes here by whom and replaced by whom. We can also put it at the end of the sentence, but in this sentence we have put it here. Okay, the singular helping verb is changed into plural helping verb, then being is put here, and the main verb change into third form. Okay, so this clause, this was the sentence. Let's observe the changes here. This clause comes here at the first place because we cannot put it in the last, and the other thing that we do not have any kind of object here, and in this way we cannot replace it with subject, so we put it in the beginning of the sentence and make it into passive voice. Being is uh, has come here with to add with ing is in the same form, and this cell is changed into third form. Is that clear? Okay, this is the way. First of all, uh, I review it. Object comes into subject place, subject into object place. Helping verb is the same but changes according to the new subject. Verb comes at passive voice in third form, and another helping verb being is added. Then by the word, this preposition is added before the object. So I'm gonna give you some sentences, and in this way you can change them into passive voice, and you can practice them at home. Okay, write the sentences. Okay, these are the sentences we have. I have written on the board, and you are going to change them into passive voice. So quickly you can write them, and then we will arrange this and end the lecture. Okay, for today this is over, and you are going to change them into passive voice. This is your drill. And as you have heard that we have done yesterday the present continuous tense, you can also observe some other sentences from this tense and change them into passive voice. Okay ji, Allah Hafiz.